Good afternoon, friends. I am Professor Atul Gaikwad, and now we are discussing about our set examination education subject syllabus unit 6. Unit 6, which is based on research in education. See, research in education, first A section, which is split into 7 groups, and let us discuss first, that is educational research, meaning and scope. The next one, that is scientific method, meaning, steps, characteristics, types, that is exploratory, then explanatory, and then descriptive. Next, that is aims of research as a scientific activity. First one, that is problem based activity and such another activities. Then theory which is related to prediction. Types of research: fundamental research, applied research, action research. Then approaches to educational research: qualitative, quantitative, and difference between them, qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative, which is related to numerical and numerical analysis. Qualitative, that is related to descriptive analysis. Friends, you have to make your notes with the help of proper sentence only, because our examination, which is related to objective type questions, hence you have to focus on only objective type view. Next part, that is design in educational research: descriptive design, experimental design, historical design. Then B group, which is related to variables, meaning, concept, and constructions, and types of variable: independent variable, dependent variable, uh, extraneous variable, and inventory variable. Then hypothesis, concept and sources of hypothesis. Then types of hypothesis: research hypothesis, directional, non-directional, null hypothesis. Then formation of hypothesis, characteristics of good hypothesis. Then next one, research proposal, steps of research proposal. Friends, you have to prepare that notes on only steps. If you are getting information on steps, then you can definitely solve questions related to steps on research proposal. Then sample, research population and sample, concept, definition, characteristics of good sample. Then techniques of sampling, probability and non-probability. Then whole sub techniques which is related to probability, that is also our syllabus, and non-probability, that is also our syllabus. Then tools of research, reliability, validity, and standardization of tools. Then types of tool: rating scale, attitude scale, aptitude scale, questionnaire, achievement test, and inventory. Then B9, techniques of research: observation, interview, and projective techniques. Then types of measurement: nominal scale, ordinal, interval, ratio. Ratio is the uh, ratio scale having maximum scope, and nominal scale having low scope. Then next one, that is quantitative data analysis. In quantitative data analysis, that is descriptive data analysis, measurements of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode. Then measurements of variability, that is standard deviation, quartile deviation, average deviation and range. Then limits and graphical presentation. Friends, we have to we have to prepare our notes as the point of objective type only, that is mean, median. We have to prepare notes only objective types, not solve such type of examples. Then testing of hypothesis, type 1 error and type 2 error. Such error related to interpreting of testing of hypothesis. If anyone hypothesis is true and we are taking as false, then such type of errors become formed, type 1 and type 2. Then next one, that is levels of significance, then degree of freedom, then power of statistical test, and effect size. Effect size, which is also we have to make our notes with the point of view only objective type. Then next one, that is formative, non parametric and non-parametric techniques. Parametric technique, that is the NOR T test, and non-parametric, that is chi-square test. We have to make a difference between them. Then conditions to be satisfied for using parametric technique. Then inferential data analysis, use and interpretation of statistical techniques. Then correlation, t-test, z-test, ANOVA, chi-square, construct comparison method, and concept of triangulation. These are the C section. Now last one section, that is D. D section, which is related to qualitative research design. D1, that is grounded theory. Then characteristics of grounded theory. Then steps to conducting grounded theory, etc. Then normative research, NT, meaning, steps, then characteristics of such NR, that is normative research. Then case study, CS, meaning, characteristics, steps of CS. Then next one, that is ethnography, meaning of ethnography, ethnographical studies, then characteristics, then steps, etc. And then last one, that is mixed method. Mixed method, characteristics, meanings, types, triangulation of mixed method. This is the syllabus of our research. Thank you.